Welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content. Today we are lip swatching again. I got this Studio London lip vault from Superdrugs for £10. It's originally 15, I believe. It comes with like 5 crayons and 5 kind of like, oh no, sorry, 4 crayons and 4 kind of liquid lipstick kind of things with lip glosses on them. So I'm intrigued to see what these are like. Last year I did do like an unboxing of another studio kit and the lip liners were horrendous. But I feel like this is a cute little gift set for £10 for someone, and they've got like an eyelash set for £5. They've got so many like different gift sets from Studio London, and I do love their gift sets, and I feel like it's nice for a beginner. So let's open it up. You could, if you bought this for yourself, use the box for something else. These are all the shades inside. One of the shades looks slightly open, like right there, which is a bit annoying. So let's start with the crayons. Crayons look duo ended, so they say they're vegan. They've got like a crayon on that side. Let's see, maybe it's a liner. Yep, a liner on the other side, so that's going to be very good to test. Oh, I just broke the liner. I went too heavy. And then the crayon, there we go, that's the first one. Let's try this on my lips. I don't know if there's any shades on these. I doubt it. Nope, there isn't. But that was quite creamy, and I feel like the liner is just a slightly different colour to the lipstick. Oh my god, this lipstick, liquid crayon. I can't speak. This crayon is so nice and creamy. That went on amazingly. Oh my god, I am so impressed with this crayon. I did not expect this kind of pigmentation. The colour is so good. I would wear this colour on its own. I was thinking it's going to be really light, but this is perfect. I was thinking maybe I put like a brown lip liner with it, but I could actually just rock this lip without the line, without like a dark liner. This is such a nice colour. It's like one of those mushroom type colours. I'm so impressed with it. We've got one more nude looking one. So the one I just tested was a little bit darker. This shade, let's see. And let's not break it again. Ah, this one's definitely more pinky. I cannot wait to put this on my lips because I'm super impressed already with the formula. They're a bit more matte, don't get me wrong, but they feel so creamy on the lips, and like the crayon looks like that on that side. Oh my god, I'm so excited for these. I didn't think this would be that great because last year they were a bit hit and miss, the studio stuff, but oh my lord, you guys need this collection. This is not a shade I would necessarily go for on its own. This is a very pink shade. It is nice, but I think I would have paired this with like a darker liner. But again, application very smooth. I didn't have any issues with this application whatsoever. It's such a stunning colour for someone, but it's just not my kind of colour. I think if I was a little bit more tanned, I might like it, but for now I would definitely need a liner with this. But it's okay, it's not too bad. I'm loving the formula, I'm loving the crayons, I'm just not loving this colour. Then we've got 2 of the darker shades. So we've got like a burnt kind of colour, then a darker colour. I'm not even going to explain these colours because they're probably different once I do line my lips. Oh, this one's red. More of a pinky red. But I love how they did like 2 nudie kind of colours and then 2 darker colours. They kept it balanced. Oh, that is a really nice kind of red. That's like a proper like blue toned orangey kind of red, like a true red. I feel like let's put it on. I'm excited. Again, formula of these very nice. They are a little bit more matte than I thought they would be, but oh my god, they just glide on your lips. I don't have an issue with the liner whatsoever. There's no name on these, which is so annoying. I wish they did, but it does say they're vegan and they've got the leaping bunny, which means they're cruelty free. this is such a lovely set. Like, you're actually gonna love this set if you're giving it to someone. Now this one's a little darker. This is the last crayon, so let's see what it looks like on the lips. It's such a I'm just fully impressed with this range. I'm hoping the liquid mattes are okay. I'm hoping. But that is that shade on the end there. It's a little lighter than I thought it would be. I thought it'd be darker than the reds. But it's not as pigmented, I feel, as the others. A bit more drier. So let's see how this one does on the lips. This shade is such a nice berry tone shade. I wasn't too sure what it was like. On my hand, I'm just like, it's weird kind of shade, but it comes out a bit more berry toned on your lips. I was very impressed with this colour. Very pigmented again. Didn't come out that pigmented on my hand, but on the lips, absolutely pigmented. Perfect for these kinds of months, like when it's cold and you just want a really burgundy red kind of lip. This is such a nice like berry tone. I love it. I absolutely love it. Now that means we are moving on to these kinds of lip gloss and lip colour duos. They are. I wasn't impressed last year with the lip colours because they were more matte and they just weren't me. So let's see. We've got the first shade here, which is more of the like nudier shade. Okay, we've got a doe foot applicator right here. Ooh, that is a nice gloss. Like a burnt kind of orange kind of gloss. Oh my god, I've got a Meggy Lashy gloss to test out at some point. Oh, and then that's the liquid colour. So I feel like let's put the liquid colour on, see what it looks like, and then we'll put the gloss over the top. Proper love this colour. This is a nice like burnt orange type of colour. It reminds me of the Crayon a bit, but it's not sticky. It's dried down quite quickly. I just patted my lips together. It feels really lovely. This is such a good shade. They've got a really nice colour selection. I'm going to just put the gloss over. As you can see, the gloss is really nice too. They have like a weird smell, don't get me wrong, like a Primark smell, but I think it's just because they probably use the same kind of ingredients to keep their prices down. So this is them two paired together and love it. It's a nice combo. I am really happy with this combo. It feels nice. The gloss doesn't feel sticky. My lips feel like I can move them. So I'm actually pretty impressed with that. The next one I want to take is, let's try this one here. Again, no names, which is sad. Ooh. This one is really nice. The colours are very different. That's the liquid lipstick right there, and then that's the lip gloss on the, I don't know if it's going to be your right or left, but these two here at the bottom. Okay, very weird combo. Like, they don't really match in my eyes, but we're just going to see. We'll throw it on and see if they do match. This is the liquid lipstick on. Lovely colour again, glided on amazingly. I am in love with this colour. Perfect berry type of colour, but I'm very intrigued to see how this reddy gloss goes over a berry kind of colour. So far it's matching. This is the first year I feel like Studio London have done really nice combos and really nice, like the liquid lips feel really nice on my lips. Last year the liquid lips did not. I don't know what it is, but this colour, the red actually does suit going over the berry tone. It's really nice. We've got two more to try out. I think it's because, I don't know why it matches. It just matches really well. So we've got this shade here, which is a lovely red liquid lipstick. And then to match, the gloss is kind of like a pinkier shade. So again, it probably will match. It matched before, and it's a bit more of a clear pinky gloss, so it's basically just going to enhance the liquid lip, isn't it? So let me put that on now. Love this colour. I feel like they've tried to match the crayons and the liquid lips a little bit, because this kind of really reminds me of that red crayon up here. They're very similar, and then it's dried down pretty quick. I think my application is horrendous at this point, but let's try the gloss now. See, it just enhances the colour more than it's actually adding to it. It is really nice, isn't it? It's really, really enhanced the colour. Love it. Absolutely love it. We've got one more now to try, and I've left this one until last because it's more berry and it's more me, and I absolutely cannot wait. Oh, look at it. To try this colour on. They're both liquid lip colours. I don't feel like there's a... It's kind of glossy, the colour to go over it, but they both feel like they could be the liquid lip colour. So I'm going to put the berry on. If that dries down, then what we could do is put like that in the centre and really like ombre this kind of colour, but it's not a proper gloss. It feels like they're both colours. Worst application ever. Absolutely ever. Lovely colour, wasn't patchy, just my application. So really, really nice berry kind of colour. I'm going to put the gloss on if it is a gloss. I don't feel like it is. No, I just feel like it's more of like another matte lip. Oh my god, I think I'm making it worse. Okay, I'm just going to stop here. This is all of the colours. I am so impressed with these these colours. I'm impressed with the whole kit. I'm impressed with the crayons, the liquid lipsticks, the glosses. Very confused on the last one, which would be my favourite shade really. I don't know what is going on with it, but it is a brilliant colour for this shade of the year. This shade, I can't talk, this time of the year. I love it, absolutely love it. So I really do hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please smash it huge, thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.